Hello, welcome to McDowell County Cooperative Extension Office. I am Janet Bryan. I'm the FNEP educator for McDowell County. FNEP is Expanded Food and Nutrition Education Program. And today I thought I would bring you an easy recipe that you probably have the ingredients in your cabinets, in your fridge maybe. It is an easy fruit salad. I will post this recipe at the end of this video for you to see, take a screenshot, whatever. It is the ingredients you will need, and I just found these in my cabinet. You can use a 120-ounce can of pineapple chunks in juice. Don't get anything that's in heavy syrup because that adds sugar to the dish. You need a can of fruit cocktail, again in the juice. You can have 2 small bananas and a low-fat yogurt. You can eat, you can put Greek yogurt instead of regular yogurt. This little thing of Greek yogurt that I've got, it has 12 grams of protein, so you can add protein to your fruit as well. So I've got the pineapple tidbits. I'm going to add this to and this is drained. I went ahead and drained it. So I'm adding that to my bowl. Next, I have mandarin oranges. You can add anything, any fruit that you want to add to this. And I just had oranges in my cabinet, so we're going to put that. And I've got the fruit cocktail. That was in there. And we also had sliced peaches. They were kind of big, so I took a knife and just cut them up into smaller chunks. And I will show a picture of this salad after I make it. So now we're going to take the bananas. Here's a tip for bananas. If you peel them from the bottom, you won't have the strings on it like you normally do from peeling it from the top. It works. Try it. Before you begin to peel the bananas, you want to wash them because you don't know who's been in the grocery store and touched them. So wash them, and you just cut them into chunks. And yes, I am using a butter knife to do this. You can let your kids help out if you want to. This would be a good cooking lesson for them to do. So I'm just cutting these up into chunks. And cut my second one. We like bananas at my house, so I'm going to use lots of bananas. Almost done. There. And I'm going to pick the cutting board up and just slide all that yummy banana in there. Okay. This is the fun part. You do not have to use yogurt. If you want it just like this, if you're lactose intolerant or your kids may not like yogurt, you can just mix it up like this, and the acidity from the pineapple will help keep the banana from browning. But I like yogurt, so this is actually, you can use any flavor yogurt. I usually use strawberry or raspberry, but today they had peach, so I'm using peach. You can use vanilla if you'd like. That way you won't get any of the extra flavor, but we like to flavor it up a little bit. So we put that in there. Put that back there. And now you're going to be really easy and just fold this in. I have made this 100 times. And blueberries are super good for you. So I try to incorporate blueberries in it too. But the trick about blueberries, you have to be super duper careful folding the blueberries in, because if not, you will wind up with a purple dish. I've done that before. Now it doesn't take but a couple of stirs for this, and you have got a very yummy, nutritious snack instead of the cookies and the brownies that are probably going on too. So I will let you take a peek at this. Get that all good. The fun thing about this, you can serve this in little parfait glasses. You can sprinkle a little granola on it. a little sunflower seed, something for that crunch. Thank you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, my name is Janet, and I will be coming back to you pretty soon. Have a great day.